It's your girl, Stainless Lady Sparkle, and I'm here today with Sparkle the World. Welcome back to another mind-blowing video. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to ship or buy from AliExpress, then ship to Nigeria to your doorstep. So, watch this video and learn something from it. Let's dive in. So, these are items I put in my cart. So as you can see, I've already put them in my cart. I've already chosen the items I want, and mind you, these items have reviews on it. So you're going to make sure the items you want to get have reviews on it to avoid getting scammed. Like this one you see now, 4.0 star ratings. As you can see, even this cap you see here, there are some ratings. You can see people that send their pictures as an evidence that they got it and it's nice. Even this one, you will see reviews. Yeah, and this one is free shipping for 16k and above if you've bought items for more than 16k, and it has like reviews on it. Even this eyeglass, and you're going to make sure you choose the particular color you want. Some people, they'll just choose, they will not like check the details of what you're getting. Like this one, I chose pink. So you see the reviews. Yeah, also this one, you see the reviews, see what people sent and see the ratings. You know that okay, it's legit. Even this hair you see here, there are also reviews on it. So this is how to buy from AliExpress, because I think sometime last year someone was saying, how do we ship or how do we buy things from AliExpress to Nigeria? So I hope you'll get something from this video and you know how to ship from AliExpress, and make sure you have an Opay account. If you don't have one, you can create one. Okay, you create an Opay account if you want to buy things from AliExpress. Like now, my payment method is through Opay. They'll ask you for your code, you get. So that is it. Make sure you're buying from, you have an Opay account. Make sure you have an Opay account if you want to buy things from AliExpress to Nigeria. So I hope you understand. You create an Opay account. Yeah, so right now it's waiting to get verified. It's loading. You allow, then put your code and your 6-digit pin. So that's it. I hope you've learned something. Put your code, you put the OTP. So that's how it's being done over here. I hope you've learned one or two from this video. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna see you in the next one.